Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with Wi-Fi symbol not showing or Wi-Fi isn't working. So as you can see over here, my Wi-Fi isn't also working and the symbol is not available. The night light is here, accessibility is here, and the rest of the settings, but the Wi-Fi isn't over here. So the first thing that you can do is just simply go to your start menu and search for troubleshoot. Then open the troubleshoot settings. Now in troubleshoot, just simply click other troubleshoots. So over here in the internet connection and hit run, and then just simply click on troubleshoot my connections to internet. Now if you have a problem, it will be shown over here. Then you can just simply try to fix that problem, but for me nothing showed up over here. So the next thing that you can do is just simply close this option first. Now right click on your start icon, then go to settings, then just simply go to network and internet, then just simply click on advanced network settings. So just simply click on it, and over there you will find Wi-Fi. So just simply click on the drop box over here. So as you can see over here, it is currently enabled, but it is still not showing over here. So what you can do is just simply hit disable and just simply go back and again come back to this page and hit enable and see whether the issue is fixed or not. So just simply wait for a few seconds. And after it is enabled, just simply go and check. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi is back over here. Now there is also another way to enable the option. So for doing that, just simply go to your network and internet, then advanced network and settings, then scroll down, more network adapter option, then over there you will find Wi-Fi. So over here again, just simply right click on it, disable, then again right click and enable. And that's it. After that, just simply close all the windows and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.